Hi guys, again, sorry for the background. My computer is still, hopefully I'll get a new one. But I wanted to try to do a little bit of a tutorial for how to get access to your um, digital lessons for science. So here in my window, first thing that we're going to Google is Clever Dayton Public Schools. And you may already have this, but if you're working at your home, then you're going to need this. And I'm going to go to this first one that says Clever Login. So then I need to log in with my school email address, and it's like, who are you? Now I'm actually going to borrow Dylan's login information. Sorry, Dylan. Just so that I can show you guys the student. And it shouldn't reveal his password, so we should be fine. At DaytonPublic.com. Couldn't find your account. So did I type this in right? DA. I did not. I put in one too many ones. There we go. Haha. All right. Now we're going to do the password, which is top secret, except for the teachers. So here we're on Dylan's page. Yours might look something like this. Dylan, thank you for volunteering. I didn't tell you I was going to volunteer you, but we are. So here we've got Think Central right there. Let me go ahead and use this. So we've got this. Oh, it's not working. So we've got this Think Central. I don't know, my tools aren't working. That's okay. So we got Think Central. I'm just gonna keep on going, you guys. When I click on Think Central, this is what pops up. Your assignments are going to be under things to do. So I'm going to click on things to do, which is right here, big and bold and beautiful. And as you see, I've actually have the assignments up this week early. We usually will not be there until Friday, but I wanted that so that you guys could see how to access them. You've got one lesson and one virtual lab. There won't always be a lab. But there will always be 2 assignments in here each week, and they are due Thursdays. And then, so this is how you would access it. I don't want to click on it because it would like start the process for Dylan. But that is how you get to Think Central and how you access your lessons. I hope that this is helpful and that I kind of walked you guys through the steps. That's it. Bye.